Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a video to a Klaviyo email. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on Campaigns in your Klaviyo dashboard. This section allows you to set up workflows for email campaigns, SMS, and more. Once you're here, you have two options. You can either edit an existing campaign or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a new campaign, so click on the Create Campaign button. Next, Klaviyo will prompt you to select the type of automation you want to create: SMS, email, or push notification. Since we're focusing on email in this tutorial, select email and click Continue. Now you'll need to choose your audience. You can do this by selecting the list of subscribers that you've already set up in Klaviyo. If you don't have a list yet, you'll need to create one in advance. Once you've chosen the list, click Next to proceed. In the next step, you'll be directed to the Email Template section. Here, you can either use a previously saved template or choose a new template from Klaviyo's template library. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a template from the library. Once you've selected the template, you'll be taken to the drag and drop editor. This is where you can customize your email design. To add a video, look for the block section on the left side of the editor. Find the video block, then drag and drop it into your email layout where you want the video to appear. After placing the video block, click on it to open the settings panel on the right side. In this panel, you'll see a box labeled Video Link. Paste your video link, such as a YouTube or Vimeo link, into this box. Once the link is added, Klaviyo will automatically generate a preview of the video in your email. That's it. You've successfully added a video to your email in Klaviyo. Now you can further customize the email if needed, or click Save and proceed with setting up your automation. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.